Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a planet wallpaper in Picsart. So we are going to open up tools first, and we are going to then select the stretch one. Then you're going to select swirl. You can either select swirl clockwise or swirl counterclockwise. If I can just say that. Then you're just going to swirl your planet around like so. And I'm just going to, I think, use the middle here for the planet. Select apply and then select cutout, and then we are going to select shape. Why can't I, hold on. Then I am going to select cutout and then shape, which I cannot find. Oops, maybe let's just, I think it's in mask now. This is discard. Well, it should be in cutout, but I don't know why they don't have it anymore. So I'm just going to create a circle here, but you're going to obviously not make it like that. Just gonna save it like this. Okay, pretend it's an abstract planet. We needed to, oh, there is the shape mask. Sorry, they've changed it in shape mask. I am going to find the circle shape mask. If I can just find it. Dear God, where is just the circle one? Nope, no, nope, 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 nope. It's not what I want. It's not even the circle one. Okay, so there's no circle, so I'm just going to select the closest thing I have to a circle. Oh my gosh, am I blind? Hello, it's the first one. I'm so sorry. Then you're going to select apply, and then I am just going to why can I still see the background though? Okay, hold on, let me go and undo that. Oh, okay. But I want it to be like just circle without background. I mean, you can add in the thing now, but I do need vignette on this one, so I think I might add that first. So I am going to go to the, hold on. Where would I add vignette? Actually, I think I'm just gonna use brush. Got it. And then I'm going to color it black. And then I'm going to make the brush. Can I adjust the opacity of it? What? It's fine. I'm just going to brush it. Whoops. Oh, you can change the opacity here. And I'm going to adjust the size. And then here, I'm just going to kind of, okay, that's not enough opacity. I'm just going to create like a shadow here and like here. And it looks weird right now, but I'm just going to apply, and then we'll use that shape mask again. To kind of adjust it. Just do it better with the brush. And then for the pattern, you can type in like space. space background and then use that. Obviously you're going to want to do the shadows a little bit better than what I did, but that is it. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.